In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change payment method on Glovo app. Let's say you already have one payment method on your Glovo app before, but then you want to add another option so that you'll be able to remove the first one you added. And if you want to have multiple payment method on your Glovo account, you can also do that. So what you're going to do, just click on the icon on the top left, then it's gonna take you straight down to this page. Just click on my information, then look down below where you see payment methods. So just click on that, then you're gonna see all the payment methods you already added. So if you want to add a new one, just click on add new card, then it's gonna show just like this. So you provide the name on the card number, expiry date, CVC or CVV, and then label a display name on the card, which is actually optional, and you select your country, then postcode as well. So once you do that, just click on done, and then your card will be added successfully, and then you can use it to check out on Glovo app.